Hello po, dinner time ngayon. Kaya nandito kami. Ayan ang aming dito ang reception namin, 'di ba? No, same mo social. Oh, ayan naghihintay na ang aming kutsara at tinidor. At ito po yung isa naming birthday celebrant. Oh, look at that. Ako naman sister, pwedeng pa-picture dito ganyan. Ayan, ako naman ang sabi ko dito ang dinner natin.
Number 1 ang galing.
Alin na kayo? Magsikanya tayo dito. Ay naman, iyak pa kayo.
Isa pa.
Isa pa. Thank you. Si Jet ayaw sumama sa akin. Ayaw talaga sumasali sa pictorial eh. Yan, antay pa po namin yung serving kasi kailangan mapuno muna. Kasi sa gabi yan eh. Nagpiprepare pa sila and then mamaya magdi-dinner kami. Yan. So ito po yung hotel. Ayan pa rin. Buffet po ito, buffet. Dinner buffet siya. Ito po yung dinner buffet, Halloween. Happy Halloween. Can I video? Can I have a video? Can I take a video? Is okay? I will not. I just promoting your buffet. And here we have narinig tuloy ako. Ayan, may rice, may seafoods. And at the night time, nasa bari sarado pa yung mga foods kasi wala pa, mamaya pa mag-start. So, marami sila, maraming po, tingnan nyo. Tsaka may bus po sila tapos ito po yung kanilang dessert, Halloween dessert. Pati yung kanilang yung mixed fruits nila, ayan. So hanggang doon, ayan. Ito yung nila, parang mga uod. Ganda. Ito parang pang Halloween din, pati yung dessert nila. Pati dessert pang Halloween. Very nice. And here they also have some, ayan, spring rolls, deep fried vegetable, pizza. Ang dami rin Magkano ang kaya nila dito? Ayan. Ganda Sir? Jodes, pa ako din. Isa pa dito.
Ay, send ko na lang sa'yo.
Hindi, iba to video ito Okay. Welcome to Picnic Hotel. Dinner buffet. For 280, you will enjoy all this variety of food.
Okay.
Okay, so come here and eat.
Okay.
Ang dami Very good. The price is very good. They have seafoods and they have here. Oh, mayroon ta. Wow. Also the drinks
No. Separate.
Have the pad thai buffet. This is pad thai buffet daw, pad thai ito.
I like the food.
Ang ganda, okay na yan, sulit na sulit They have salad. They have salad. Saka may pizza sila Tapos merong Halloween pa silang display. Ano yung food nila? Wow! Ay, hello. Wow, very good. I love it.
Thank you.
Yeah. She's so pretty. Can I have a picture with you? Is it okay? We have a friendly staff here, so come here and eat. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. So Halloween display also because it's Halloween. So there marami Ang ganda. But I need. So ito po yung aming out. Ayan. Yan. So if you wanna have dinner, ayan laki Ayan ang kanilang asa sila? Ayan po 280. Oops. Kasi may mga drinks din sila. So, ito po. Lalakad-lakad muna at maghanap muna ng iba. Basta yun, nakita na namin doon. May massage din. Night walk kami ngayon. Night walk. Night walk si Ate Panmuy with the celebrant Jody. Lagi kami magkasama nito. Ayan Kasi kami celebrant. Hi! Na-enjoy mo ba ang Thailand?
Yeah, very much.
Yeah.
Very much. Come
Next
to
time ulit.
Thailand with us.
In Bangkok.
Maybe soon. Soon.
Yeah, soon. Babalik daw siya. And we will try the massage.
Yeah.